SEC charges DCG and Genesis, fines $38 million for misleading investors. Digital currency group, Genesis, SEC. The SEC has charged Genesis and DCG for misleading investors, imposing a $38 million fine for securities law violations. Last updated, January 18, 2025 at 01:52 GMT+2. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, January 18, 2025 at 01:52 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Add disclosure: we believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, announced enforcement actions against Digital Currency Group, DCG, and its subsidiary Genesis on Friday, citing violations of securities laws. The SEC accused DCG and Genesis of defrauding investors through misrepresentation, resulting in penalties and legal action. DCG agreed to settle the charges by paying a $38 million fine. SEC reveals accounting tricks behind DCG's strong balance sheet claims. On January 17, the SEC ordered DCG to pay a $38 million civil penalty and issued a cease and desist order to prevent future misconduct. The charges extend to DCG and its former CEO, Soichiro Michael Moro, who allegedly misled investors about the financial health of Genesis following the collapse of one of its largest borrowers, Three Arrows Capital, 3AC. In mid-2022, Moro, who served as CEO of Genesis during this period, was accused of approving misleading public statements and tweets that downplayed financial risks. According to the SEC, Moro authorized posts claiming that Genesis had shed the risk associated with 3AC's default and maintained a strong balance sheet, despite the company's precarious position. Additionally, Moro signed a $1.1 billion promissory note on behalf of Genesis, which the SEC described as perpetuating a false narrative about the company's financial health. As part of the enforcement action, Moro was fined $500,000 and barred from engaging in any negligent conduct that could mislead investors. The SEC indicated that its findings against Moro could support ongoing investor lawsuits and regulatory actions. The SEC also revealed that DCG executives were aware of over $1 billion in losses at Genesis, but sought to portray financial stability. DCG issued a $1.1 billion promissory note to Genesis, described by the SEC as an accounting asset with no tangible capital transfer. These actions, coupled with undisclosed terms of the note, misled investors about the company's true financial state. By June 30, 2022, Genesis reported positive equity, but the company's financial pressures continued to mount. By November 2022, it suspended withdrawals, affecting customers of Gemini Earn and locking up $900 million in user assets. Genesis and DCG struggle with fallout from 2022 collapse. The financial troubles of Genesis began with the collapse of 3AC, which triggered liquidity issues, and worsened with the implosion of FTX later that year. In January 2023, Genesis filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, disclosing over $3.5 billion in debts to its top 50 creditors, including major names like Gemini and VanEck. Genesis' parent company, DCG, borrowed $500 million across 4 loans in 2022. However, by May 2023, DCG had failed to repay $620 million, including 4,550 Bitcoin, prompting Genesis to file a lawsuit seeking full repayment plus fees. You might also like Genesis sues parent firm DCG over $600 million loan repayment. In November 2023, DCG reached a settlement to repay the loans by April 2024, offering Genesis some relief in its bankruptcy proceedings. By February 2024, Genesis and Gemini had reached a settlement to distribute $1.8 billion to users of Gemini Earn, pending court approval. By May 2024, Genesis had distributed $2.18 billion worth of cryptocurrency to approximately 232,000 users, advancing its bankruptcy process. Meanwhile, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, is pursuing penalties and corrective measures against Gemini Trust, with its trial now set for January 21, 2025. This legal battle adds to the ongoing scrutiny faced by companies tied to DCG and Genesis. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Price predictions recommended articles. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Trump set to issue pro-crypto executive orders, including national Bitcoin stockpile. Report Sol Strategies stock price blasts 27% higher after launch of Solana mobile staking app. Litecoin positioned to become third U.S. spot crypto ETF. Report Bitcoin surges above $100,000. Ripple, XRP, climbs above $3 as market turns green. Bitcoin news. Coinbase launches Bitcoin-backed loan services for U.S. users. 1 days ago. By Hassan Shittu. Ethereum news. Swiss bank PostFinance introduces Ethereum staking for passive income. 1 days ago. By Hongji Feng. Bitcoin news. Another wave of Bitcoin growth, still likely. Russian analyst. 1 days ago. By Tim Alper. Blockchain news. Trump's Treasury pick Scott Bessent rejects need for a U.S. digital dollar. 14 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction Ethereum, ETH, price prediction Ripple, XRP, price prediction Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction Solana, SOL, price prediction. Best crypto wallets. Best crypto to buy now. Best crypto presales to invest in. Best new meme coins to buy.